I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Chicken Backyard. Chicken Backyard sent me this to inform you that their dine-in is back. Ergo, their unlimited chicken wings is back also. Chicken Backyard is not only known for being an affordable all-you-can-eat or eat-all-you-can chicken wings, but also they are known for their sauces. So, I am so happy that they sent me also these sauces. They have this creamy garlic, this lava, and their classic teriyaki. Yes, am I correct? Yes, it's the classic teriyaki. And their Char Siu BBQ. Honestly, I haven't tried this one yet. And this keeps me interesting, the mango chutney. So, for sure, mango flavor ang chicken. So, quite interesting. And lastly, the Korean spicy. So again guys, Chicken Backyard is now open for their unlimited wings. All three branches, the one in Banawa across Autogas, the one in Punta across Lourdes Parish Church, and the one in Talamban which is in the grid. They are open daily from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. But if ever dili mo ganahan mag-unlimited or all-you-can-eat, you can also find Chicken Backyard on Food Panda. Or you may order directly in their official social media accounts. They have a family package of 999 pesos which includes 48 pieces of wings, 6 sauce flavors, and 5 cups of rice. And mga na dayon ta guys, what I am trying is the Char Siu BBQ sauce. So, yes, so it's like a Chinese barbecue sauce actually. And now I am trying the classic teriyaki. So from Chinese, let's go to a little Japanese, in which, yeah, I think you know what a teriyaki sauce is. So if ever you like Japanese food, then this is for you. And now let's try the creamy garlic herb sauce. So ako na siya gi-imagine no, kay more siya pang sauce sa pasta, in which I am really right. So if ever you like creamy sauces, gadaghan pa yung garlic, then this sauce is really perfect for you. And I'm so happy pwede ka makakudaghag sauces in just one order. And now I am trying the Korean spicy. What I really like, kay dili jud kay siya halang, so at least you can still taste the chicken, and yeah, the Korean tinge na asad siya. And now I am trying the lava sauce. So ang lava sauce is kanagaling level 5 nga iyang pagkahang, pero ganahan yapon ko kay sakto iyang pagkahang. And lastly, I'm trying the mango chutney. Well, for some probably new ninyo ang mango flavoring sa food, but for me, I really like putting mango jam in my meatloaf. So, yes, lami kayo chicken with a tropical twist, and plus the garlic herb, mas ni perfect siya. Well, for me guys, I like experimenting and combining. Try to combine the creamy garlic herb plus the lava sauce. Mas perfect siya. So, creamy nga halang-halang. As in, mga yun na yung kong fries. And the other sauce combination I like kay ang classic teriyaki plus the Char Siu BBQ sauce. So yeah, di ba tanawa, mas creamy, combined silang duha, Chinese and Japanese sauce combined. But then again guys, don't forget to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating, and to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!